In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter company reviews on Glassdoor. If you're researching a potential employer, filtering reviews is the fastest way to see feedback that actually applies to your role, location, or situation, instead of wading through hundreds of general comments. Start on Glassdoor and use the search bar to type the company name. When the drop-down appears, select the correct company and make sure you land on their main profile page. You'll know you're in the right place if you see the company's overview with the tabs across the top. If you accidentally pick a sub-page or a local branch page, jump back and choose the primary profile so you get the full set of reviews and filters. Next, click the Reviews tab at the top of the company profile. This brings you to the Reviews hub, where you can read employee feedback and, most importantly, narrow it down to what you care about. Look for the filter button just below the company's overall rating, usually near the search bar on the Reviews page. Click it to open the filtering panel. On mobile, this may appear as a filter icon, but it's in the same general area beneath the rating. Quick note before we continue. I've placed the official Glassdoor website link and the app download links right at the top of the description, so you can follow along on desktop or mobile with one tap. Now, let's apply filters. Start with position or role. You can filter by job title, by function like engineering or sales, and even by seniority level. If your exact title is uncommon, try a broader function to surface more relevant reviews. Next, choose employment type. You can include full-time, part-time, contract, or intern. Keep in mind that Glassdoor will automatically filter out non-permanent roles if there are more than 15 full-time or part-time reviews available. So if you want contractor or intern feedback, make sure to explicitly select those options. You can also filter by location. Pick a specific city, office, or region to see what employees say about that location's culture, leadership, or workload. This is especially useful for companies with multiple offices that operate differently. For more targeted insights, use the advanced demographic filters. You can filter by race or ethnicity, gender, parental status, or disability. Availability may vary, and the number of reviews can be smaller, but it can provide valuable perspective on inclusivity and experience. When you're ready, click Show Reviews to apply your selections. Your results will refresh to match exactly what you chose, and you can adjust or clear filters anytime to broaden or refine the view. That's all you need to filter company reviews on Glassdoor. If this helped, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.